Hello, my name is Rubén Darío Gómez. In this video I'm going to talk about the cultural differences between Sudan and America. Watching the video from these people from Sudan, it is just incredible to see how they can still live so simple and primitive. I personally think that this simplicity way of living is amazing. These people are excellent human beings. They live with basic things they get from nature, taken from the desert environment. If we compare them to the American life and the Colombian life, as they say, people are not that friendly as those from Sudan. There is a sense of insecurity in America. The so-called freedom or the land of the free, it is not like that. These people from Sudan found it as extremely difficult life conditions. They wouldn't expect it to be that complex. This video shows us the reality we live right now in the civilized continents. If we analyze the people of Sudan, they still live their lives as a close society, like a beautiful brotherhood. They still have the roots and the essence of humanity, which we have to retake, because as it is seen, most people in America and Colombia have lost that already. Many people are just immersed with material things. We live according to a social system established, made supposedly to improve our comforts, with a lot of laws and regulations for the sake of society. But sadly, even with all these things we have, it is not enough. We always want more. It is sad to see how we cannot tolerate others, and we constantly offend or kill each other as animals. The people from Sudan realize that life in America is a chaos, a huge change of lifestyles, and they cannot imagine living a normal life here or there in North America. There is a moral reflection here, and it is amazingly simple. We just have to value the basic and simple things life has to offer us, as these humble people from Sudan do. That is completely lovely to watch, and they seem to live truly happy this way.